Embark on a journey into the profound depths of mindfulness meditation, a practice that transcends time and cultural boundaries, weaving its essence into the fabric of human experience. Mindfulness meditation, at its core, invites individuals to step into the sanctuary of the present moment, a realm where the past and the future gently fade, leaving only the richness of now. Picture the roots of mindfulness meditation reaching back through the corridors of time, touching ancient contemplative traditions like Buddhism and Taoism. It's here, in the ancient wisdom of the East, that the seeds of mindfulness were planted. The practice gradually migrated through cultures, finding its way into various religious and secular contexts, eventually becoming an integral part of modern wellness practices. At its essence, mindfulness meditation encourages individuals to become keen observers of their own minds, fostering a heightened awareness of the thoughts, sensations, and emotions that arise in each passing moment. It's not about escaping the complexities of life but about diving into the depth of experience with a conscious presence. Central to this practice is the cultivation of non-judgmental attention, an art where thoughts and emotions are observed without condemnation or attachment. Imagine sitting by the river of consciousness, allowing each passing thought to be like a leaf gently floating downstream, neither holding onto it nor pushing it away. It's in this gentle observation that the transformative power of mindfulness begins to unfurl. As we delve into the intricacies of mindfulness meditation, envision a mental landscape where the mind is not a turbulent sea of thoughts, but a serene lake reflecting the stillness of the present moment. The practice becomes a journey inward, a sacred exploration of the mind's vast terrain. Consider mindfulness as a lens through which the world is experienced anew, a lens that unveils the richness of each sight, sound, and sensation. It's an invitation to engage with life fully, to savor the taste of a single breath, the warmth of sunlight on the skin, and the symphony of nature's whispers. In understanding mindfulness meditation, we unravel the layers of its simplicity and profundity. It's a practice that extends beyond the confines of formal meditation sessions, seeping into the very pores of daily existence. Imagine mindfulness as a gentle breeze that clears the fog of mental clutter, allowing the brilliance of clarity to shine through. As we step further into the tranquil expanse of mindfulness meditation, let's unveil the profound power it holds and the myriad benefits it bestows upon those who embark on this transformative journey. Imagine the practice as a wellspring, its waters flowing with the potential to nourish every facet of your being. Begin with the gentle ripples of stress reduction, a soothing balm for the mind. Mindfulness meditation becomes an oasis where the relentless waves of stress ebb away. In the sanctuary of the present moment, the mind finds respite, the chatter of anxieties quietens, and the weight of daily pressures lifts. This isn't an escape from stress but a transformative encounter, offering a new perspective and a serene anchor amid life's tempests. Picture the mind as a focused beam of light, undisturbed by the shadows of distraction. Mindfulness meditation emerges as the artisan, refining the lens of attention. The practice encourages a heightened awareness of the task at hand, fostering an undivided focus on the present moment. In a world abuzz with constant stimuli, mindfulness meditation becomes the compass that guides the mind back to its true north, focused, present, and fully engaged. Dive into the realm of emotional regulation, where mindfulness meditation becomes the alchemist of your emotional landscape. It invites you to witness the ebb and flow of emotions without being swept away by their currents. As you cultivate a non-judgmental awareness of your feelings, they transform from tumultuous waves into gentle ripples. The practice becomes a safe harbor where emotional storms are acknowledged, understood, and ultimately embraced with compassionate serenity. Envision the practice as a tapestry woven with threads of overall well-being. Mindfulness meditation, with its holistic embrace, extends its benefits beyond the mental realm, gently touching the physical and emotional dimensions of your existence. It becomes a catalyst for a harmonious and balanced life, where each breath is a testament to the interconnected dance of mind, body, and spirit. Consider mindfulness meditation as a trusted ally in the realm of mental health. It offers solace and support for individuals grappling with anxiety, depression, and other mental health challenges. The practice doesn't seek to eliminate these struggles but becomes a companion in navigating their complexities. It's a beacon of light that fosters resilience, offering a refuge for the mind in its moments of vulnerability. Embarking on the path of mindfulness meditation is not merely a theoretical journey. It's an immersive experience that unfolds through practical application and a rich tapestry of techniques. Imagine this section as a treasure trove, unveiling the practical gems that empower you to integrate mindfulness seamlessly into the canvas of your daily life. Begin with the rhythmic dance of breath, a fundamental and accessible gateway to mindfulness. Picture each breath as a steady anchor grounding you in the present moment. Breathing exercises become the keystones, inviting you to observe the ebb and flow of each inhalation and exhalation. The breath becomes a gentle guide, leading you back to the sanctuary of the now. Through mindful breathing, you cultivate a conscious connection with the life force that sustains you, bringing serenity to the mind and vitality to the body. Extend your awareness to the physical realm through the practice of body scans. Envision this as a journey of exploration, where your attention gently travels through each part of the body. It's an invitation to become intimately acquainted with the sensations, tensions, and nuances residing within. Body scans serve as a bridge between the mind and the body, fostering a holistic awareness that harmonizes both aspects of your being. As you traverse this inner landscape, you cultivate a deep sense of bodily presence, anchoring yourself in the physical manifestation of the present moment. Imagine guided meditation as a gentle companion, leading you through the labyrinth of mindfulness. Guided sessions become a symphony of words, gently directing your attention and nurturing your connection with the present. It's a collaborative journey, where the guide becomes the storyteller, weaving narratives that draw your awareness into the rich tapestry of the now. Guided meditations cater to diverse needs, offering sessions tailored to relaxation, focus, compassion, or any intention you seek to cultivate. Consider the ripple effect of mindfulness meditation on your physical health. As the mind embraces stillness, the body responds in kind. Picture stress, a common intruder in the modern lifestyle, dissipating into a gentle breeze. The practice becomes a holistic tonic, influencing factors such as blood pressure, heart rate, and immune function. Through mindfulness, your body becomes a harmonious instrument, resonating with the rhythm of well-being. Extend the practical application to the realm of emotional resilience. Mindfulness meditation, through consistent practice, becomes a sanctuary for emotional exploration. It offers a canvas where emotions are acknowledged without judgment, and their transformative potential is realized. The techniques become tools for navigating the ebb and flow of emotions, fostering a resilient mindset capable of weathering life's emotional storms. Picture mindfulness not as a separate practice but as an integrated part of your daily existence. See it as the thread that weaves through the tapestry of your routine, infusing awareness into mundane tasks, conversations, and moments of solitude. Mindfulness becomes a lens through which you engage with the world, enriching the ordinary with the extraordinary presence of the now. As you infuse mindfulness into daily life, it becomes not just a practice but a way of being, an ongoing journey of conscious living. Mindfulness is not a fleeting experience confined to meditation sessions but as a steadfast companion, seamlessly woven into the tapestry of your daily existence. As we delve into the practical integration of mindfulness into daily life, envision it as the art of conscious living, an invitation to embrace the ordinary with extraordinary awareness. Commence this exploration with the simple yet profound act of mindful eating. Picture each meal as a sacred ritual, an opportunity to savor not just the flavors but the entire sensory experience. As you engage in mindful eating, consider the textures, aromas, and colors that adorn your plate. It's not merely nourishment for the body but a feast for the senses, transforming a mundane activity into a moment of presence and gratitude. Extend the tendrils of mindfulness into your interactions through conscious communication. Envision each conversation as a dance, where words are chosen with intention and listening becomes an art. Mindful communication involves not just hearing but truly understanding the nuances beneath the spoken words. It's a practice that fosters empathy, deepens connections, and transforms dialogue into a mindful exchange of thoughts and emotions. Shift your focus to the concept of present moment awareness, a cornerstone of mindfulness. Picture each moment as a unique jewel, waiting to be discovered. Mindfulness in daily living encourages you to relinquish the grip of the past and the pull of the future, anchoring yourself in the richness of the now. Whether you're engaged in routine tasks, walking in nature, or simply breathing, every moment becomes an opportunity to be fully present. Consider the integration of mindfulness into the sphere of work, a domain often fraught with deadlines and pressures. Mindful work involves infusing consciousness into each task, whether routine or complex. Picture your workspace as a sanctuary, where deadlines become rhythms and tasks unfold with deliberate attention. Mindfulness becomes the secret ingredient that transforms work from a series of obligations into a fulfilling, purpose-driven endeavor. Extend the reach of mindfulness into the digital realm through conscious technology use. Picture your interaction with devices as a mindful dance, a deliberate and aware engagement rather than a mindless scroll. Mindful technology use involves setting boundaries, being intentional in your online activities, and recognizing when to disengage to foster a balanced and healthy relationship with the digital world. Wrap this exploration with the practice of gratitude, a potent elixir that infuses daily life with positivity. Picture each day as a collection of moments, each deserving acknowledgement and appreciation. Mindfulness invites you to cultivate a gratitude practice, where you consciously recognize and express thanks for the blessings, both big and small. It transforms the mundane into the extraordinary, fostering a mindset of abundance and appreciation. In the canvas of daily living, mindfulness becomes the artist's brush, adding strokes of intention, awareness, and gratitude to the otherwise ordinary moments. As you integrate mindfulness into your daily life, envision each moment as a blank canvas waiting for the colors of your awareness to breathe life into it. The journey of mindful living is a continuous practice, an evolving masterpiece that unfolds with each conscious breath and every present moment embraced. Let mindfulness be not just a practice but a way of living, a mindful symphony harmonizing the ordinary into the extraordinary.